Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas and some Meeden black paint, which is on my Amazon link, M-E-E-D-E-N. I don't want a ton. I'm going to do a swipe. I need a fix. I need art therapy. I've been weird all day. I need something satisfying. This is the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Hopefully there's not too much water on my spatula from just having been washed. Since I'm going to do a swipe, I'm not worried too much about it covering completely. I do wish I'd put a little more paint over there on that edge. The Meeden paint usually covers really super well. And it still will if I take a minute to slow my roll. I'm going to use the Amsterdam black. In this case it's probably lamp black, but I got some oxide, I think it's called. And I'm confident that both Amsterdam blacks will probably sell if you add the pre-stain wood conditioner from Minwax in, and probably they would sell without it, but they definitely sell with it. And the recipe is below the video underneath show more. I'm going to stop fussing with this right now, hopefully. Throw that in the bucket. I'm going to grab some Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold and try and stick with most of my favorite colors if they'll come out, or find alternatives if they won't. I wanted to put some red in there. This is a color shifting red from Folk Art. This is my Hot Orchid Prism Pour from Color Art. This is Deco Art Americana, excuse me, this is Folk Art Purple Flash. And what do I want in between? I want some of my electric blue from Arteza. That is mostly Anita's white metallic with some Venetian blue in it. It's basically a rainbow. A rainbow without any green. So maybe I should put some green in there. And maybe I should just keep on going with my rainbow or whatever way I feel like. Because I definitely feel like using what in the middle. It'd be really nice if this would work out. There seems like enough paint there to me. I am going to grab I'm going to try and pull in a diagonal way. I'm going to throw some more paint in my paint dish. And I'm going to dip that whole end right like this. And I want to do it again, and I've got more black there. I have a scrape dish somewhere. If I don't, I'm going to find a new one. I'm just going to grab some more paint. I want to go all the way from this end. That might be insane. Didn't wind up doing what I was thinking about doing at all. At all. I am Not sure where I want to go from here, but I think I'm going to put some of my hot orchid in the middle and knock off the paint on my card. And I'm being completely distracted by a phone call in the other room from a friend of mine who was supposed to visit this evening. And I'm just going to keep right on trying to work while that's happening. And I am completely incapable of working and listening to the conversation that's going on in the other room. Oh my goodness. I didn't put any white in here, and maybe if I talk over him. I know you probably can't hear this, but it's making me crazy. So I've got a little tool somewhere. Yep. There we go. This little acetate tool. And I'm thinking about putting some white in this because I'm not really happy with how distracted I got at all. Maybe some chain would work. That might be fun. I haven't done any chain for a while. Grab a couple pieces of chain. Chain in combination with cells. That sounds like a good combination. I like the start. Still want to put some white in. Actually, black, white, whatever. Just something to make it less what it is, whatever it is. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go with some white. Make sure my black is shaken up. Do the white again. I just did this earlier today and I love the effect that I got. But I got to be a little bit careful about where it goes. I'm being called to orange. And then I might have to tip. But I could still swipe the whole thing and it'd probably be interesting. More interesting than it was when I was freaking out. Yeah, I love that. That hot orchid is just the bomb. Now I'm being called to turquoise. And I'm not sure I can get away with blue, but I can certainly put some purple in there. Yeah, that's all right. I'm liking that. Well, I like it a whole lot better. I don't think I have to tip it. I don't want to get rid of my cells. Chain pulls didn't hurt anything. I'm going to call it good. It's it is what it is sort of thing. And I am going to grab, you know what, I've got a nice little tool that I haven't used yet, which probably won't work at all because it needed to be on something round. So if you decide to put something on a stick, make sure you have a round handle so you can spin it in your fingers. That was a waste of my time. I wonder if some gold would be helpful. Kind of think so. What else? Anything else? I'm really having officially too much fun now. And it's really hard to stop. I'm not sure if I didn't go past the point of a good place to be. But I do have my little tool and an interest in using it. And I am pretty sure that it will leave cells behind it. And adding the colors is not a bad thing, especially if I wipe it off in between and stop making mud. I forgot about my little tool for a minute. I'm trying to learn how to pick it up and use the edges of it as I go along. Moving my torch out of the way. I don't know if I'm getting better at it or not yet. So I love you guys. There's over 93,000 of you subscribed. If you're new, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you for still being here. If you're not subscribed, please join us. We'd love to have you. Yeah, I kind of wondered if I can just stamp. Sort of like not a balloon kiss. Just add some texture. It might not even look good. Or it might look like paisley. It might turn out great. Hard to tell, I'm not knowing yet. This could be the background for something else. But it is kind of cool, actually. I am eradicating way too many pretty cells, though. But this tool is definitely addictive. And I could probably put a skewer in and do a little bit of spiraling. Trying to have a light touch. I'm not sure I'm succeeding. But usually if you put wasted paint down or residuals, like on the low leafy silicone mat, you'll come back and you'll find really cool patterns there. So it is what it is, and it's kind of different. I got rid of all my black and all my white, some of my purple. I'm going to have to torch. Not much green left either. Imaginative darkness. That's what it reminds me of, a tarot card I used to see once in a while. So that's that. And other than a skewer, I guess they call this wrecking, but for me it was never wrecking. For me it was always accenting. And I love spirals, so neat. There's a lot going on in there. But it was supposed to only be art therapy, so never mind. So check out over 1,900 videos organized onto lists of 100 and by topic and genre on all playlists, creative playlists, if you're looking for more videos. If you have questions, please ask me. I wonder if I set my timer. I have 12 seconds left. My link tree underneath the video will share with you Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group will show you tomorrow's video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more will show you to pixel.com and Find in America. If you're interested, you can check out the brand new link to Le Gallerist, where there is some fancy clothes, some beautiful, beautiful, not inexpensive items. What did I call them? Collectibles. There's a collection of wonderful collectibles. Yeah, I'm so articulate right now. So I love you guys. There's a monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes that are included in the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. And you can get automatically entered by donating through PayPal or Patreon. The icons are on my YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner, and also on the link tree. I don't think I see anything that really needs to be fixed too much, and I'm really super shocked that, that I don't feel bad about this, because it was really going sideways for a while, and I really, really like it really a lot now. In spite of the fact that I continue to spiral. She's spiraling out of control. Yes. Alright, I got some edges to cover, but otherwise, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm going to zoom in for a second so you have a chance to see. There's all kinds of cells and all kinds of spirals and all kinds of colors morphing from one side to another. And if it looks half as pretty dry as it does now, it'll be good. It'll be a paisley, but it'll be good. My community board has tomorrow's video on it. My Amazon link on the link tree has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of other stuff. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, but it helps me buy art supplies. Thank you for the wonderful comments. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Look for Teespring clothing below the video. If you are interested in stuff with my designs on it, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, by clicking on any of the items there, it'll bring you to my store. My store is also on my community, also on my YouTube channel banner. My community board is a good place to communicate with me, and you can ask me to see dry photographs there if you'd like to, and I will share them with you. What else can I tell you? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking and sharing and watching longer. Watching longer is the best possible thing you can do to help my channel out. If you want to help me, watch longer. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My email address to contact me in that regard is underneath the link tree. It's EASPB, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. And the hashtag and the file number from the title of any video will also get you any information you require should you be interested in doing the most generous thing possible and purchasing an artwork. I love you guys. My paint pouring recipe is below the video, and if you have questions, feel free to ask. I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me. Even when I seem to be having kind of a bad day, and it still works out, it's because you were here, I promise you. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you. I'll see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves.